When it comes to overclocking the XPG Spectrix D45G DDR4-3600 2x8GB, unfortunately, I could not get anything higher than 3600 MHz to work on my computer. I tried everything I could, such as relaxing the latencies and increasing the voltage, but as soon as I increased the frequency, my computer would not boot. It is worth pointing out that overclocking was successfully performed using another XPG product, the Spectrix D50 we reviewed earlier this year, so as they say, your mileage may vary. Other than the overclocking potential, or lack thereof, this RAM kit is something I appreciated. It has the right amount of design features on it, which makes it clean but not overwhelming. The simple and rugged look makes it really unique compared to the competition that have over-the-top looks. The heat spreaders on the Spectrix D45G are built with high-quality aluminum, which strikes a good balance between heat dissipation and lightweight. The RGB LED lighting on this product is another nice feature that really matches the role of gaming memory. Note the RGB LED on this product is also programmable through software as long as it is supported by your motherboard. The XPG Spectrix D45G is also a fast DDR4-3600 memory kit. According to our tests, this review unit can be a solid upgrade if you are using slower RAM on a modern platform. In terms of pricing, I think $90 at press time is fair, since it not only looks good, but also capable of delivering good performance at stock speeds. For the full review, please click on the link in the description.